Welcome to our guide on using the Writingchecker Telegram bot to review your IELTS writing essays. This tool is here to help you improve your writing and get ready for the IELTS exam. First, start the Writingchecker bot in Telegram. The bot will give you 2 important links to join. These links will give you access to helpful resources and communities. Next, you'll need to sign up or log in. If you already have an account, just log in. If not, we'll show you how to create one. To create a new account, start by typing in your full name. After that, enter your email address. This is important because you'll receive reports and account information at this email. Then, choose your nationality from the list. This helps us provide you with more accurate feedback. Now, you need to create a strong password. Your password must have at least 1 letter and be at least 8 characters long. Once you've filled in everything, click the Sign Up button. After you sign up, an email will be sent to the address you provided. This email has an activation link. Open your email and click on the link to activate your account. If you don't see the email, check your spam or junk folder. Clicking the activation link will open a page confirming that your account is now active. You can log in either on the website or directly in the Telegram bot. After logging in, you can start using the Writingchecker tool. New users get a 3-day free trial, giving you full access to all the features. Now that your account is set up, you can submit your IELTS essays for review. You can also view your past reports and track your progress. Thank you for using Writingchecker to help with your IELTS preparation. We're here to help you improve your writing skills. If you need help, don't hesitate to contact our support team.